Good morning, children. Today one new topic we'll be doing, that is common words. Children, do you know what are common words? Common words are the words which come in your day-to-day life. That object or that item that comes in your day-to-day life. Children, what is this? This is an ant. Now, ant is a tiny insect. It has 6 legs. Okay, it collects food from different places and save them for future. Now, children, do you know what is the spelling of ant? Spelling of ant is A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Okay. Now next comes, what is this? Can you identify this one? Yes, that is a book. Books are our best friend, isn't it? Every day, if we read two words or 3 words and 1 or 2 sentences from the book, we will be learning the spellings of the words. And in your next classes, that is when you go to your next class, to your higher class, it will be very easy for you to read the book. So what is the spelling of book? The spelling of book is B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Now what is this, children? This is a cake. Now children, you like to eat cake, isn't it? And during your birthdays, you cut the cake. Cakes are of different flavors. Chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and many other flavors, isn't it? You want to share with your friends also. Now what is the spelling of cake? The spelling of cake is C-A-K-E. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Now come to this one. Can you identify this one, children? This is a doll. This is a doll. All the children like to play with dolls, isn't it? Especially girls, they like to play with Barbie doll. Now, tell me the spelling of Barbie doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Now, what is this? Can you identify this one? Yes, this is an egg. We get egg from hen, isn't it? Children, eggs are very rich in protein. You should take or you should have an egg every day in your meals. During eating, you should eat one egg every day. Okay, children? So, these 5 letters we will be writing in the notebook now. So, children, now we will write in the notebook all the common words which we have seen the spellings and the explanation on the whiteboard. Now, it is the turn to write in the notebook. Parents, please write the words in this column so that the children can see these words and write 2 times. Okay. So, the topic is common words. Now, the first word is A-N-T. Ant. A for ant. Children, you will learn the spelling and it will help you out to write in the notebook. Okay, children? A-N-T, ant. B for, what is it? B for book. B for book. B-O-O-K, book. Children, learn the spelling so that it will be easy when you are writing in the notebook. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. Now, what is the word for C? C for what we have learnt? C for cake. Now, children will write C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Now, next is D. D for, what is the word? D for doll. Now, children, you all write. Children, try to identify the picture. D-O-L-L, doll. Next is D-O-L-L, doll. Next, after D, which alphabet comes? E. E for egg. E for egg. E, G, G, egg. Now, it is the turn for the children to write. E, G, G, egg. Again, you write. E, G, G, egg. Like this, you have to write. And children, write the date also. Today date is 2/8/21. Today another month has started, that is the August month. So 2/8/21. Now children, try to identify the pictures, learn the spellings so that it will be easy for you to write in the notebook. Thank you, children. Stay safe. Bye-bye. A-N-T, ant. Can you identify this insect, children? Yes, it is an ant. Now repeat the spelling after me. A-N-T, ant. B-O-O-K, book. I repeat, B-O-O-K, book. Children, you repeat after me. B-O-O-K, book. While writing, children, you say the words and then write. Spell the words and then write. Repeat after me, children. B-O-O-K, book. Again, B-O-O-K. C-A-K-E, cake. Children, you like to eat cake, isn't it? On your birthdays, you cut the cake also. You want to share it with your friends also. So, now the spelling. Repeat after me. C-A-K-E, cake. D-O-L-L, doll. Children, you all like to play with dolls, isn't it? See this doll, it is so beautiful. Repeat the spelling with me, children. D-O-L-L, doll. By heart the spellings, children. Now we come to E for egg. E, G, G. Egg. Egg is rich in protein. We should have at least one egg per day. Now again the spelling. Repeat after me. E, G, G. Egg.